have to type the command yum install kemu -kvm space kemu -image with with manager space libvirt libvirt space libvirt python thon space libvirt client space virt install with viewer. Here kemu KVM is a quick emulator, kemu image is a quick disk image manager, and with install is nothing but command line tool to create virtual machines. libvirt provides manage virtual machines and controls hypervisor. libvirt client provides client-side APIs accessing services and provides wish utility which provides command line tool and manage virtual machines. with viewer graphical console. The packages are downloading from these APIs and it will takes time to install. These are the libvirt packages. libvirt D one that manages virtual machines and control hypervisor. Virtual machine manager, we have to type virtual machine manager. In that we have to create that VMs and all. Right now it will shows that kemu and KVM packages over there. Right now we are going to create one virtual machines in the virtual machine in that. For that create new virtual machine. In that we have to attach that ISO image. Next click on forward, browse. We have to select any operating system images for installing operating system in that kemu or KVM. Here we selected Ubuntu 15.4. that operating system type is Linux. In that we have to select that memory, RAM memory and CPU. We have to give RAM memory as 2048, that is 2 MB, and CPU 1 is enough. Then click on forward, click disk images. The storage of that OS is 15 GB. Then next, that name of the images we give KVM and KVM kemu. We are providing name as KVM kemu. Then click on finish. Here network selection we selected as NAT as a private network. It's a defaultly it is there. Then click on finish. Okay. Then the virtual machine is now creating, allocating space and all. See that it's a Ubuntu operating system, it's loading. it's a graphical user interface. With that only, whether the functionalities are opening or not, we are going to the operating system with install to create virtual machines using command line. These commands need to help inputs to create virtual machines such as memory, disk, network, installation area, and OS virtualize and OS variant and more. These are the basic steps we are going to. Right now we are going to try. Click on try Ubuntu. It will take time to load. Click on continue. Whatever the default steps is there, we are installing. We have to check that partitioning of the OS and all, or otherwise we can choose randomly. Click on Kolkata and continue. UK, it's based on give username as KVM Naveena. Click on continue. After installation completed, we have to restart now the system. We have to restart. Right now it's loading. The guest operating system is